Good morning, Tube Tribe! Super happy to make a video that I record and publish on the same day. I should do more of that. This is always making me more happy to do this. We have so many videos that we plan, we shoot on many days, we edit, and it's taking months sometimes. But once in a while, I love to just be like... actual day and talk about what's happening. So it's been another lovely day working in the studio with Kim. We just went back to different techniques that we wanted to improve because we know we're going to have to take this thing down in a few weeks. So now it's time just to create more, and this is going to be content for later on. But speaking about improvement, not too long ago, I was working with the blade on top of a black tube, and it was a real challenge for me because it's not easy to make a self-made light painting, lighting up yourself, triggering the cameras, all of that at the same time, not moving, because I'm not using any external flash. That was a very challenging one for me, and I did everything in one night, edited the video, published, went to bed, and the next morning I was like, this could be better. So I kept thinking about it during the day, and at night I said to myself, okay, I have to at least try to do a better one. So I came back here and I tweaked a few things. So first I went on RAW mode instead of JPEG, and the main reason is that I felt like I couldn't get the right white balance value when shooting JPEG. I don't have a way to set a precise temperature on these cameras. I can go on like daylight, tungsten, etc. I have the presets, but not a direct temperature. But if I shoot RAW, then I have access to that temperature, and this is what I did, and it helped a lot. So I think I went at 4600. I'm not sure, I don't remember, but you see that there's a big difference between the colors. So I shot in RAW, and that's creating gigantic files, so it's very heavy to work with that. I usually avoid that just because it's too much data, but it helped when I really want to get better quality. And also that removes the dead pixels, so it's better. So yeah, you're waiting for the result. Yeah, sorry. So this is the shot from the first night. It's very bluish, not bad, but this is the shot from the second night. So I feel like it's better. Like, it's not just about setting the white balance, but also like I think I got better at doing the shape and being more still. Okay, so and then what's coming up? We have a series of 4 episodes talking about the camera settings. We're going to go a bit deeper about that. So 2 on the beach and then 2 in the snow. Super fun. And this Monday, so in 2 days, we're going to go live again. We're going to try again to talk about the light pollution. This is something that we really love to talk about and to play with when we shoot outdoors. And I totally failed on the last one because I was underprepared, and also the cat walked on cable and everything started to fall apart. So the cat is still going to be there, but I changed my equipment, I cleaned up everything on the table, and it should be better. So I should be at around 11 a.m. Eastern time. It's going to be available for replay, and also the presentation is more solid. We have better content about this one. So light pollution this Monday. We'll see you there. Bye.